Hey, what's going on YouTube? How would you like your Fire Stick fully loaded? Well, today I'm going to show you a video that's going to explain everything in detail, how to fully load this Fire Stick, get the best applications for movies, TV shows, pay-per-views. I'll show you complete updated access to my store, and a couple of things have changed in my store. I made several categories. They're the top 5 movie apps, top live TV sports apps, and the top best apps for pay-per-views and other events and things like that. And this is all found specifically in my store, okay? So here I am on a Fire Stick, and I'll show you how to do this super easy. The first thing you have to do is you have to go to gear icon, and you have to go to My Fire TV or My Device to fully jailbreak it for all that content. As you see, I have developer options. If you don't have developer options, it's completely fine. Just click on the About here. You'll see your device name. Now, what you want to do, you want to click on it about 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says, no need, you're already a developer. But if you're not a developer, then it would say, now you're a developer. And that developer options needs to be turned on to install third-party applications. Okay? Once you do that, press the home button, and we're going to follow along to the find button and go to the search right here. And in the search box, you can use the Alexa remote. So if you click into search, you can click that little blue button on your remote, or you can just type it in. You want to search for the application called Downloader. Downloader. I use the Alexa search, so it's searched basically for Downloader right here. And you'll see an orange and white icon. Click on that orange and white icon. Click the download button. That's going to queue it and download the Downloader application. We're not going to open it up yet because there's several things we have to do first to get the unlinked application, to get everything going properly. So let it install and don't press the open button, and you'll get a notification here. Just simply press the home button. Now, the first thing off the bat, you got to go into the gear icon. As you can see, Downloader is now installed on our list. Click the little icon here and go down to My Fire TV again. Now, you'll see this menu, About menu. Click back until you're in the root menu, the main menus of My Fire TV, My Device, My Fire TV. This is the root menu. You'll see the developer options. Click on developer options, go to Install Unknown Apps, and make sure the downloader is turned on. Okay. Once you do that, what you're going to do, you're going to press the home button. You're going to go to the find button, and you're going to go into search right here. You're going to click into search again, but this time we're going to search for an application called IPVanish. What IPVanish is going to do, it's going to allow us to get into the unlinked store. It's going to allow us to get all the applications. So you simply just search for IPVanish and hit search. It'll come up like this. It'll give you access to all the applications. It'll give you access to unlinked and geo-block content. Click on the IPVanish and then click on the download button. So now what's that going to do is going to install IPVanish. It's going to give you access to geo-block content, unlinked updates, access to the unlinked application, as you won't be able to get in if you're not running a VPN. You'll get an error, and therefore you won't be able to get the newest apps and the newest updates. So you have to run a VPN like IPVanish. So I'm installing IPVanish here, and if you want to do that as well along and set this up, you simply have to get an account. So to get an account, you can simply scan this barcode here or go to this bit.ly link. The link is also in the pinned comment description. You'll click on that link, you'll go to their landing page, and you'll select your package. It's literally less than a cup of coffee per month. That's how much it costs. Nothing more than that, okay? So literally is less than $5 a month. Sometimes $2 or $3 a month. That's how cheap it is. And it can be used on unlimited devices, as many as you'd like. It's going to give you access to unlinked. It's going to give you access to geo-block sports, pay-per-views. It's going to give you access to movies, TV shows, and all that other content that is found in the unlinked store. So you can pause the video to set this up. So you can download IPVanish. And when you open it up, you'll be prompted to log in with your email and password. But you can get shown email and password by clicking this, scanning this barcode, or go into this link, or click in the link in the pinned comment description. Through my affiliate link, you're going to get the best price found anywhere else. A cup of coffee per month, that's how much it costs. Unlimited devices, unlimited access to my unlinked store, unlimited access to the updates in the unlinked store, and unlimited sports, pay-per-views, and every single content that you may want to watch on your Fire Stick device. And you can use this on unlimited Fire Sticks on your phone, Android. You can use this as well. Okay. So I'm going to log into mine, but if you want to log into yours, just simply follow these steps here, also in the pinned comment description. Like I said, go to the landing page, sign up. They're going to email you to your email. Click the email confirmation link, and then set up your password, and you're ready to log in. So pause the video to take care of that first, and then continue the video, and I'll show you how to set this up. So I'm going to log into mine, and you can follow along and show you how to set up the IPVanish for access to Unlinked, okay? Okay, once you log into the Unlinked application, you simply go to the gear icon right here. And from here, connect on Android Startup. You want to press that to turn it on. Press the back button. Go to the location icon right here in IPVanish. And go to countries and scroll all the way to the right side. And under countries, you're going to select United States. You're going to click on United States. You're going to say favorite United States. Going to put a yellow star on it, click on it again, and you're going to say connect to United States. Now what's going to happen, it's going to pop up with creating a VPN request. Press the OK button to allow it. The screen should blink, and then I should be connected in any minute to a United States server. If you have issues with the United States server, you can use Germany and other countries as well. Not a problem, but US is going to get you the best results, okay? Here I am, I'm connected somewhere here in the USA. And once you do that, press the home button, and you'll be ready now to load the Unlinked application. So that's available right here as well in the pinned comment description to get set up with the IPVanish to access the Unlinked application. Let's press the home button, and you can see IPVanish is running. Now we have the downloader here. We're going to go to the downloader application. Click on it. Press the OK button. Click one up here and click into the downloader application, and we're going to put in the following URL: Unlinked .link. Okay. Once you do that, you're simply going to press the go button. Okay. It's going to connect to the Unlinked website. Now with the VPN on, we can scroll down, and we're going to click on the green Android icon here, download APK Android. Let's click on that. Now what's going to happen, it's going to download the Unlinked application. It's going to come up with connecting, and it's going to download. It's about 3 megabytes in size. And when it downloads, it's going to ask us to install the Unlinked application. We're going to press the install button here. And once it's finished, we're going to press the done button. We're not going to open it up yet. Let's press the done button. Let's press the delete button, and press the delete button to delete the installation file. Now, press the home button once you're done that, and press the home button again to get to the main home section. Now you see we got downloader, we got the IPVanish running, and we got the Unlinked application. Now, before launching the Unlinked, let's go to the gear icon. Let's go to My Fire TV or My Device, and now we're going to go back to developer options and install unknown apps, and we're going to go into Unlinked, and we're going to switch it to the on position. Once we do that, press the home button, and we can proceed by going to the Unlinked application here. Let's click on it. I'm going to open it up now. Now you'll be presented with this menu. Click New Library and put in the code. Click into the code section here. While it's blinking, click into that. Should pull up your keyboard, and then just lowercase Firestick is what you want to put in. So all lowercase Firestick, put that in. And once you put that in, press the next button, but don't press enter to enter my store yet. When you press the next button, I'll show you the screen here. And now we got the newest update today, or whenever you're watching the video, the dates here. This is blurred out, but you're going to see it perfectly on your TV when you're doing this. These are my top recommended applications for free movies, free TV shows, sports, whatever the case might be. This is why I make these videos every month, because I'm always updating you guys what's going on in this welcome message here. Blurred out on this screen when you're watching it on YouTube, but this will be visible if you're doing this on your Fire Stick at home. Once you do that, press the enter button, and you'll be entering into my store. My store has several categories. I'm in the Fire Stick tools just for presentation purposes. But if you scroll up and down, like I said, there's categories for free movies, free TV shows, category for free sports, and category for live TV. I've just updated that. That should work now. A lot of apps work now, like Sports Fire. Other apps as well are updated in there. I've also added an ad-free section if you're annoyed by the ads, and I've added a section for ad-free media players, which some of these applications use. So there's a lot of content. Just scroll up and down, left to right to get that. But for presentation purposes and YouTube specifically, we're going to just install these two applications just to show you how the installation process works. But any other apps you scroll up and down that are fully loaded in my store, it's the same method to installing them. So you would scroll to your app in, like for example, in the top 6 for free movies and TV shows. You would click on any of the apps, like I'm clicking here. You would say download, and this would download the app. And once it downloads, you would just press the install button. Install app. What would happen? A screen would pop up like this. You press the install button. It would blink, and then will throw you back into the store. I've successfully installed Taskkill Firestick. Okay. You want to install another app? Click on it, simply like that. Press the download button. This will download the app. And once it finished downloading the app, it will pop up. We're going to say install app and press the install button, and it will blink the screen, and the app would be installed successfully. This is how easy it is to install the apps. I just installed 2 applications literally in 30 seconds. Scroll up and down and get all your favorite applications and always have access to that. So basically very simple, very easy to use. Scroll through your categories up and down, left to right for all other applications, okay? So I'm going to hit home here just to show you now that we're fully set up. And as you can see, those apps got installed and they show up here. And as long as you have the VPN on, I'll show you that we had our VPN on. You can scan the barcode here, also link in the pinned comment description to get set up with the VPN. A lot of these applications are going to give you access to a ton of content, okay? So I'm connected. That's available as well. If you haven't got access to the VPN, that's available in the pinned comment description. Also, you can scan the barcode with your phone to get to that landing page to get a discount. It's a cup of coffee per month. Unlimited device is going to give you superior access to the unlinked application, okay? So let's press home, and you can come back to the unlinked application anytime by clicking into it and going into there. If some applications you install don't show up in this main bar here, or they don't show up under My Apps and Games, what you can do, you can go to a gear icon as a little bonus, and you can go to Applications. And once you're in Applications, you can just go to Manage Installed Applications. And from here, you can see the application, and then you can launch the application directly from here by clicking on it, saying Launch Application. That's how easy it is. And we just fully loaded our Fire Stick. You can get all the apps, anything you'd like in Unlinked store. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how you fully load the store. That's how you set up your Fire Stick. There's tons of apps in my store. So one thing I'd like you guys and gals to do, go in the comment and drop a comment. I might put a pin lock on my store, Unlinked store, because people have been knocking off my content. And once I do that, I'll be only providing the pin code to the people that make the comments in the comment section. So you can tell me what city and town you're from, what's your favorite car, what's your favorite sports team, what's your favorite fruit, just any comment. So when I do put a pin lock on my store, I'll be replying directly in the YouTube comments with the new pin lock number, okay? So if that happens, please comment below. I'd ask you just to make a comment. That's all I ask for. I don't ask for any money, any financial support. I don't ask for donations, nothing like that. A comment would be highly appreciated. Share as well and like the video. That would be highly appreciated as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And one last thing, if you do go on the X account, if you have an X account, and go on X, please, in the description, there's an X account. Please follow me there. I'll post some updates there as well. So I'd highly appreciate it if anybody would follow me on X. That would be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Have a blessed, wonderful day.